Good day, my name is Alfredo Rios. I'm 34 years old. I'm from Barranquilla. I study system engineering. I come to talk about the Catedral of Barranquilla. It is the most representative church in Barranquilla, one of the standards of the Christian faith. The model building is 92 meters long and 38 in the width part, which gives it a flated shape that narrow on the altar. This beautiful manifestation of religious art, and it's a place worth visiting. It is a Roman Catholic adoration cathedral church dedicated to the Blessed Virgin Mary Queen. It is a modern style building whose construction took 27 years old and was designed by the Italian architect Angelo Mazzoni the Grande. Direction Street 53 with 46 in the center of the city of Barranquilla, Colombia. Website of the Plaza de la Paz, where the 0 point of the city located. Extension. The model building is 92 meters long and 38 meters wide, with a capacity for 4,000 people. Construction date December 1955. It's only remain to say that they are invited to city. Thank you.